Hello everybody. I am here in the San Francisco Bay Area. This is a client of mine doing an ADU in his backyard. ADUs are very popular right now because it's rentable space and it's usable space. So that's his existing home, you can see there. And he's just got the framing and the sheathing and the windows up on this ADU. And it's looking fantastic, so let's take a look. So here's the ADU. It's got the windows up and the flashing up, and they're going to be doing waterproofing next week. And as you can see, it's really looking fantastic. They went with Milgard. These are not the vinyl windows; these are fiberglass windows. We got all the framing up. It's got the LVLs. These are 12-inch on center LVLs, as called for by the engineer. Because we got a nice span here. So here's the top of the roof framing. You guys don't want to be in the video, right? No? Okay. Okay. Here's the guys. They're putting in the door. Here's the retaining wall. It's actually looking great. Too bad we didn't think about putting a roof deck on there in the beginning, but that wasn't in the plans. Look at that. Let's see if I can back up here a little bit. It's a fantastic view though, huh? Alright, I'm going to go down and talk to the owners a bit.